Hello, this is Learning from Learning Hub on YouTube. So for today, I will gonna teach you on how to make a letter from our mother because tomorrow will be Mother's Day. So go here and then click. You can, you know, search for let's try 10 and but I'm gonna use cm centimeter. Then this 20. Enter. Create a new design. After clicking that, so can see this thing. So here in elements and especially let's go to Chrome and let's search mother. Um, let's try Mother's Day. Um, so guys, so I was Pinterest and see this. So choose like then so I use this. So I just block it and then right click and copy image and then go to Canva and then Control V. So can see this like that. Can just try this thing up like that, then that, and then it's very okay to add a photo of your mother. So let's go to element, and template element. Let's try shape. So let's try circle. And then let's click that more. So I'm gonna insert my mother's picture. Click this upload, and then in image or upload files, and then I'm gonna select the pictures, and then I'm gonna choose my mother's picture. So just wait. So that let's click it, and then let's go to transparency. So diba? And then you can just more or like that, and then more, and then layer, bring to front, send to bring. Just wait. Just gonna put the so then let's try to crop it like maybe just only her face, then done. Transparency. So this is the final look. So, ta-da! I use this is my mother. So can share it and then blah blah because then so we're gonna download it. So after I download it, it will gonna print. So happy learning. I hope this video will learn something.